there needs to be an Indigenous voice globally to help advocate and influence initiatives around the poor health status of Indigenous peoples. And so that's part of my passion, is to create that mechanism.
It's an opportunity for Indigenous people to present themselves and to help us move on and get better at what we do, actually be supportive of each other.
My passion is institutional racism, and I think that there needs to be more done around that in order to transform the health outcomes for Indigenous peoples across the planet.
For me, one of the things that I find invaluable about groups like this is that it's the sharing of knowledge and the supporting of each other as Indigenous peoples. I think that we have lots of differences, but we have so much in common.
That Indigenous Australians and Indigenous New Zealanders can work together, and we're actually creating a new format for what's going to be something quite fantastic that we can take across the world. So this is just the beginning of something important for the World Federation, but significantly for Indigenous folk.
We got to meet face to face with our New Zealand colleagues, and it was such a pleasure to have them here to sit down and work through the structure and really see something really worthwhile being created.
As Indigenous peoples, we are very passionate about what we do. And when we come together to do something like this that we're all really passionate about, I can see how big it can be and just how much of an impact that we can have. So even though this is only our second meeting, I got out of today that, you know, in 20 years' time, I can see us having a huge impact around.
We're going to go big.